Welcome to Python tutorial series. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the ABS function. The ABS function in Python returns absolute value of given input. The ABS function in Python returns the absolute value of a number, which means it converts negative numbers to positive ones while leaving positive numbers unchanged. It works with integers, floating point numbers, and even complex numbers. Create a new notebook, select the kernel, so I created two integer variables I equal to 10 and j equal to minus 10. Now I will show you how to use the ABS function. Print ABS of I, and similarly we can print ABS of j. Run the first cell by clicking here, then go to next cell and run it. So it printed 10 and 10, positive 10, so its value is not changed, and j was minus 10, so ABS function returns the positive 10. So this way you can use the ABS function. Now I will create a list LST amount, and in this list I will add few positive numbers and few negative numbers. Now I will show you how you can use the ABS function with list. And run this. So this way you can convert the list values using the ABS function, and now we can print the value of this list, and it should contain all the positive numbers. So minus 9 was converted to 9, similarly minus 90 was converted to positive 90, and 10 is as it is. So this way you can use the ABS function in Python. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.